Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Escape from Tarkov Arena. Arena is a fast-paced, session-based multiplayer experience where two teams of 5 players battle it out. You'll choose from a selection of pre-configured kits and jump straight into intense combat. The goal is to outwit and outgun your opponents across different objective-based scenarios. Winning matches helps you climb the ranks and unlock even better equipment for future engagements. Arena offers several distinct game modes to keep the action fresh. In Team Fight, your objective is simple: eliminate the opposing team entirely. Shootout pits you against 1 or 2 opponents in intense duels, testing your individual skill. Overload challenges teams to capture and hold a central point on the map for a set duration. Understanding each mode's objectives is key to victory and earning valuable rewards. Before each match, you'll select a preset kit, which determines your weapons, armor, and utility items. These kits are organized into different classes, such as Assault, CQB, or Scout, each with unique playstyles. For example, an Assault kit might feature an automatic rifle and heavy armor, while a Scout kit could have a sniper rifle and lighter gear. Choosing the right kit for your preferred strategy is crucial for success. As you play and win matches, you'll earn Arena rating points, which contribute to your overall progression. Reaching higher ratings unlocks access to more advanced and powerful preset kits, giving you an edge in future battles. Furthermore, your performance in Arena also grants experience points for your main Escape from Tarkov character, helping you level up across both games. Don't forget to complete daily tasks for extra bonuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.